in West Asia reached Qatar's doorstep as Iran fired missiles at a key US airbase near Doha. The attack was Iran's response to US and Israeli airstrikes on Iranian nuclear sites. People in Doha and Lusail saw loud explosions as Qatar's defense systems intercepted the missiles. Out of 19 missiles, most were shut down. Only one hit the base, but there were no casualties. Iran claimed it warned Qatar and the US before the attack. Qatar condemned the strike, calling it a violation of its sovereignty. The US president called the attack very weak and a temporary ceasefire has been announced.